another file here. We created another file here, named it s2.ipynb, IPython notebook, and created a code block, and then put some codes, some Python codes here, and hit the play button. It just suggests me to install or enable Python plus Jupyter. Okay, it will install it. What to choose: kernel, Python environment, and which environment here? This one. And I want to allow it. Oh, they will not allow us. But this is how you do it. Okay.
So what's the difference between Python, Jupyter? Why do we use different environments?
No difference.
Huh?
No difference.
Why do you use it? There are different
Okay.
or
Yes. Yes. There is some advantages of using each environment. For example, when I use VS Code, I have different extensions that I can use, right? For example, the Python you install inside the Visual Studio, or the Copilot. For example, what we have. Okay, let me tell you to zoom. Yes. No. Like Python, like Jupyter Notebook, like Copilot. Another thing is, Git. We can get, no, not GitHub. GitHub is a website. Okay? So another thing, we have compact, code compacts, for example, a folder, we have access to our folder or anything. We have another thing, colors. It will, yes. Okay, so when I want to create a project that has different elements, different files, different functions, and many things, I use VS Code. When I want to test something, when I want to create some analysis, when I want to doing machine learning, AI, and things like that, creating AI models, not just using AI. Machine learning and creating some models and using them and something like that, I will use Colab. What is the advantage? It has separate RAM. I do not have to install something inside my computer, as you could see, because this is a system from the university. I couldn't install something on it. Okay, I have to use an admin account to install something, and so many others. But is there any difference? Does it make any difference? No. You can use Vim. What is Vim? Vim is IDE inside a terminal. Okay, but honestly, it is the most powerful one that I know. That's more powerful than VS Code and anything. It does not have a GUI, graphical user interface. Does not use it because the history of Vim is older than keyboards that we are using. When the keyboards doesn't have the arrow keys, they were using Vim to program. And I know many professional programmers that are just using Vim. But for us, that using mouse and everything, we want to see what is happening. I think Visual Studio Code is good. Or PyChart, if we have the money to afford it. Or many others. What? Anaconda. Anaconda is free and open source to use, and it is a little heavy for systems because when you try to open a Spider to, for example, open a Jupyter notebook or something, it will a little slow down your computer. You can make your computer a Jupyter notebook server. So you do not have to install all the Anaconda and everything. Okay? Oh, it's ready? Very good, very good. Everybody? Of course, not online people, but offline people can have coffee. Okay. So, this is how Jupyter Notebook inside a VS Code works.
Also,